done is I've installed Power BI here. And now what I'm trying to do is I'm going to try and install the MCP Power BI with the Claude. तो मैंने इसमें से ये वाली वीडियो ले ली है, ठीक है ना? And installation जो है हम लोग MCP सर्वर कैसे करते हैं, right? Installation. Right? तो इसको जो है ये कर सकते हैं. Now I don't want to spend my money on this. So installation guide. SQL Server, MCP Cloud Power BI Desktop. Okay. So what I'll do is
Unlock
this is an ad
high-performance
which is
complete
coming.
control with VS hosting from Hostinger. AMD EPYC processors and NVMe storage guarantee speed and stability, while a 1 gigabit.
Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Claude desktop so that you can connect your Claude desktop with Power BI, Power BI modeling application. And I will also show you how you can do some modeling changes using the Claude desktop as well. So let's start the video. So the first thing that you need to do is you'll have to install this Visual Studio Code from this link. I'm going to provide
code.visualstudio.com. Code.visualstudio. ठीक है ना? .com/download. ये ऐसे आ जाएगा ना, so we'll take with this. Okay, I have this here.
all the links in the description and all the steps as well, so you can check it out from there. So you can download this Visual Studio Code and install it on your computer.
So I download this Visual Studio Code, right? Once this has been downloaded here, then I will install it, right? That is going to be the first. Here, what I will do is Claude.ai. So I have to run it through Gmail, from Google Chrome, right? So this Claude.ai, I have to run it through here. Claude sign in, right? This works. Okay, I get that. So here, I get that. Install it. Set the license conditions. Next, install. Okay, I get that. Right? Prepare to install. The next step is,
And then let's launch the Visual Studio. So we are here in the Visual Studio Code. From here, let's go to this extension and let's download the Power BI MCP modeling server. So you can search from here, let's say Power BI MCP server. So it shows this one. So I have already installed it. So you can install it from here.
okay. Yeah, so I'm just doing this. Let us install. I do it. Now I go down here, extensions, and I say Power BI, MCP. Say install. I'm not done that. Then
So once you're done with these two steps, I can close this and then next, let's download this Claude desktop. So this is the link from where you can download. I'm going to install it now. So once you have installed the Claude desktop, you can see it like this. So if you choose your profile here and go to settings and go to this developer section. So here it's giving us the option to add and manage the MCP. So
now I go here. Go here. Go here in settings. And within the settings it says
on the Claude desktop, you can see it like this. So if you choose your profile here and go to settings and go to this developer section. So here it's giving us the option to
first. Go back here. So I've got new chat here. So where in Claude should I add the MCP server connection configuration? Upload Claude desktop for Windows game. So that's not the web page चलेगा. इसको व्यवहार करो. Okay, get that. Setting saying here.
To add and manage the MCP.
So go to developer. Okay. Edit configuration. Okay. Now what happens?
Servers. If I click on edit config, it takes us to a file called Claude desktop config. I am going to open it with the notepad plus. So I can see it showing like this.
We say edit config. And we open it with notepad plus. Notepad second. Okay, I can go. Now
So we are going to add something here, so stay tuned. So before that, I have some steps to follow. You can search this user profile or vscode extensions on your file explorer. So
now you go down to File Explorer. You go to which one?
if I copy it here and click on enter,
Concentrate user profile portion. Dot vscode. Then mention extensions. Okay, I got here. This is going to be okay. You can put here. इसका पार्ट चाहिए ना कॉपी करना ये कैसे होगा right? तो पूरा समझा दिया है. Copy.
USERPROFILE or vscode extensions on your file explorer. So if I copy it here and click on enter, it will take us to this analysis services.powerbi-modeling-mcp. So this is a folder. So we'll have to go inside this as a path. So let's copy as have to copy this as a path. So let's copy as path. And so we have done. Next, we are going to go to this file open already. So let's copy this body here. So
God. Okay. Now what happens?
Control A and control. So we have this body here, and in this command, we'll have to paste the path.
Oops. Okay. Double again. Because I didn't. Use code. This is services. Server. Stop part level. Okay. Then I need to go down to the extension JSON, right? I get that. Then I make a notepad. Then I say edit, replace backslash with double backslash. Replace all. Okay. Then I go here and I say edit config. And then I say open with notepad. And then here JSON platform number. Claude.ai, you log in, you go down to developer, Claude desktop, download, then this thing, then developer section, and then into this. Okay. Okay. Fine.
That we have copied right now and replace this slash with double slash. So we have this path here. So let's copy this from here and let's paste it here. I'm going to replace this single slash with double slash. For that, let's type Control H and I'm going to find slash and replace it with double slash to replace all. So I have replaced everything. Now let's click on Control S to save this file. And now after you have saved it, if I now click on edit config, it is going to show this file. If I open it now, from here open with Notepad++.
Enter config.
Now it shows the file that is having this body that we have saved. Now we don't have to do anything. We just have to restart your computer. So now I have restarted my machine. Now if I go to my profile and go to settings and go to the developer settings, now if you see it's showing the Power BI modeling MCP configuration. Since the MCP server is running, we can go to the new chat. So I have a Power BI file open called AdventureWorks Sales Dataset and it has these many tables. So let me do one transformation and show you. So I'm gonna say connect to the project manager. Yes, 15 years of experience.
Now I'll have to restart the machine. From CRM, Claude, MCP, configuration. Close it.